Welcome back. County health workers are expected to honestly inspect restaurants, making sure everyone is safe when we go out to eat. But there was one inspector who slipped through Erie County's cracks.
And as the 7 Eyewitness News I-team discovered, that one inspector was filing fake reports until something strange happened. Anchor reporter Ed Dranch is on the case.
I completely screwed up and did some really stupid things. I'm paying for it.
Timothy Bean of Hamburg resigned from his job as an Erie County Public Health Sanitarian, a restaurant inspector for the Department of Health in December, citing health reasons after, and only after, he was found out to be falsifying restaurant inspections in West Seneca and Orchard Park.
What was the reasoning behind this?
You know, Ed, if I could give you a good reasoning, I would. I don't know.
Erie County Health Commissioner Dr. Gail Burstein doesn't know why either. She says she and County Executive Mark Poloncarz were notified about Bean days after his supervisor made a strange discovery. 2 reports by 2 different inspectors of the same Tim Hortons on Orchard Park Road on the same day.
We never have 2 different restaurant inspectors that are, fully trained and independent field workers inspect the same restaurant, especially on the same day.
Was that inspection actually done?
Through the investigation, they determined that the inspection report that was submitted by Mr. Bean was falsified. The restaurant had no recall of him coming.
Not only did Bean not inspect this Tim Hortons, he included food and equipment temperatures in his report and the signature of someone who the county is unable to verify was an employee of the facility.
That caused us to investigate, even further.
That investigation found since November, Bean falsified a total of 25 restaurant inspections.
Were you being paid off by any of these companies? There was no money involved here.
Zero.
Could he have falsified reports prior to November? Does this go back even further?
He may have.
The I-team has discovered Bean submitted 42 reports between July and November, but the validity of those 42 reports has not been tested by the county. The commissioner says it would be too hard for them to go back and speak with restaurant workers who may not work there anymore or may not remember if Bean actually showed.
We have corrected the situation. We've sent inspectors out to inspect those facilities that we knew were not inspected, and those reports are available on our website now.
Despite filing more than 24 false reports, Bean made nearly $48,000 last year, paid for with Erie County taxpayer dollars.
The public is trusting you here, and
They shouldn't have.
And as a result, the county is now calling restaurants every so often, making sure inspectors actually show up to restaurants, ensuring diners are safe.
why hasn't that been done in the past?
Well, again, this hasn't been a problem in the past.
Although they say nothing happened as a result of Bean's bold bull, he realizes full blame rests at his doorstep.
You know what, Ed? I screwed up big time, made some poor choices, and that's where I want to leave it.
For the I-team, Ed Dranch, 7 Eyewitness News.